Hi. I'm going to talk about the #1 woodworking resource with over 16,000 plans. Plans so detailed, they practically build themselves. Covers a wide range of projects, large furniture, small crafts, outdoor projects, workshop projects. Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Step-by-step instructions. Cutting and materials list. Detailed schematics. Views from all angles. Suitable for beginners and professionals.
Hey Ted and the rest of the team over at Ted's Woodworking, it's John here from the UK, and I can't thank you enough for the plans. I can build things now that I never thought possible for me to do and make them look good. If I had to boil it down to just one single moment, I think the catalyst that started my woodworking journey, it would be the time when I purchased Ted's collection of plans. All I can say is, if you have ever wanted to get into woodworking and didn't know where to start, this is the package to get. You'll find plans to almost any project that you can think of, which makes it very easy to get started.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.
Types of projects you can build today. Sample pictures. Amazing woodworking projects. And thousands more which you can download. Check link in video description to access 16,000 woodworking projects now. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.